Do it. Archer does it.
Okay, Archer does it. Okay. We're going to do it on Archer's head. Here.
He can do it.
Let me help you. There.
Oh, yeah. Good job, Archer.
I love the way he looks for the reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, good?
Do you like that? Oh. You poked yourself in the eyeball.
Yeah, it's right.
Don't worry. Okay, let Grammy do it now. Give it to Grammy to do it.
Help Grammy. Want to put it on Grammy's head?
Put it on Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Do it on Grammy's head.
Grammy's head.
Do it, Archer, on Grammy's head. He looks like he's going to stab you. You're silly. Whoa! You attack.